Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos like this one on all things business ownership and finance. In part 1, I explained how to build business credit. In part 2, I explained how you can use your business credit to purchase a vehicle. And now, in today's video, I will be sharing with you how to register your new car. First, you must obtain insurance. If you use your car primarily for business, then you should look into a commercial auto insurance policy. However, if you use your car part-time for business, then a personal auto insurance policy might be better. Consider how many employees will also be driving the car as well. You can obtain insurance from large insurers such as Geico, Allstate, Progressive, and you can also check for local insurers in your area who might offer better deals. If you don't know where to look, reach out to the same insurance agent who sold you your business liability insurance. Now it's time to register, but don't forget to register your car in your business name. Car registration differs depending on the state that you're in. You'll probably need to show that your business has been properly organized by providing copies of your articles of organization or articles of incorporation. Contact the DMV for information about registration in your state. Send a member or manager of your business to register the car and not an employee. The member will need to show their driver's license. Remember to pay all registration fees using your business bank account. Do not cut a personal check for this. Don't forget to track your miles. You can use your QuickBooks mobile app for this. You might be using your car for both business and personal use. However, you can only get a tax deduction on the business portion. Don't forget to claim your tax deduction. The tax deduction rules are complicated and depend on whether you own the vehicle as an LLC, one-member LLC, a corporation, or a partnership. Consult with your tax professional. And there you have it. Everything you need to know from start to finish when it comes to building business credit, to purchasing a business vehicle, and to registering your new ride. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com, linked below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or business bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.